Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Nick in New York on the Galaxy DX94 HP. Nick, I've got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune-in alignment, Toshiba regulator, unlock the clarifier, as well as the power wire / receptacle upgrade. Really does a good job at getting rid of this troublesome junk. But anyways, let's just get right to it. I'll start with the RF power all the way down. 100-watt slug. Set you at 2.5 watts all the way down, which is plenty of adjustability. 30 all the way up. I'll show you average power swing. Hello. 70 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. 160 PEP. Alright, Nick, my friend, we're going to get this out to you. It is, again, a pleasure to do yet another radio for you. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.